You said that I became a member to an LLP, and thereon, after that, I can sell my share if I want to, in between, after say 1 year, and all others want to keep it for 3 years, say. So at that point of time, I want to understand how that happens, because if it has happened, and do we have some kind of a network wherein other people will know that Nitin wants to sell, and they want to buy, right? Because, and I may not be selling due to some issues with the startup, but due to some personal obligations.
I get it.
I want to buy a home, I want to buy a yacht, I want to buy an something else, whatever. Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you the complete exit options. Generally, the exit option is the most common one, is the discounting model. I'll tell you what it is. Generally, what happens, angel investors put in some money at an valuation X. Obviously, this valuation is lower because you take the risk, and when the VC comes, they come at a later stage, right? Because it is a public money. This is your money. You can take the decision. You can take risk. VCs don't take that much risk. So they come later on. When they come, they will invest at a particular point, say 5 times of the valuation you have invested. So once this is done, VCs will offer you from their data, they will contact you themselves, and you can also contact them, and they will offer you some discount. Suppose they have invested at a valuation of 20 crores, they will say, okay, I will buy your equity at a valuation of 15 crores or maybe 18 crores. So some kind of discount has to be given, and this is how VCs benefit. But because you have invested at a valuation of 5 crores, you still get 3 times. This is good. Second option is selling off to any other investor. So like I told you, we will be making a community. All the people in the group will be introduced to each other, and that is how you can pass on your equity to at least the community members who know you personally. Third is, we have a pre-IPO segment which is coming up. Pre-IPO is very, very hot now. So we are creating a separate segment for pre-IPO. There are certain investors who are very much interested in buying equity of those startups which are pre-IPO. And in that, what we are doing is we are acquiring the shares from the pre-existing investors and from the staff who has got an ESOP. So right. These 3 options are already there. Fourth option we are having is investment banking services, that we already do. So you will tell us that, Shishir, this is my portfolio. I have this investment from StartupLanes and from other investment networks also. It is okay. You give it to us and we will circulate it into the entire SL network. Those who are interested in buying that equity will express their interest, and one-on-one we will organize the meetings. So there are a lot of options.